Hi guys, this is Future Gadgets lasering the back glass of iPhone 13. Very badly damaged. See, we secure some of the areas which are very bad damage and also secure the chrome. This is how it is. We're going to start lasering right now. This is iPhone 13. After finishing it, we're going to install the green color the back glass to make it like brand new. Okay, thank you. Just watch how it goes. It's a faster laser machine which does pretty good job very instantaneously, and we're going to start now. Thank you. See how it changes the color, means that the glue underneath the broken glass is like neutralized, and then it can be removed easily. You can see how this machine calculates. Everything has been in the program. And a few seconds and the laser will be completed. You can see the powerful laser working and how the kind of like a smoke coming out from the broken areas. And this is done. Now we're going to we're going to remove it and change the back glass. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Future Gadgets, and then press the bell icon so you get all our updated videos. Thank you.